Beauty, so welcome back for another video. I am back with some natural hair clip-in extension. This is 100% human hair. In the box I received, of course, my clip-ins in 16 inches. I received a wide tooth comb, one clip, the care instructions, as well as 2 extra clips that are not shown in the actual unboxing. And I did receive 2 boxes. So with this hair, I decided to leave it exactly how it came in the box and rinse the hair. I rinsed the hair first and I followed it up with my Tresemme Moisture Rich conditioner. This conditioner is amazing in hair, period. I absolutely love this conditioner, but I just went ahead and conditioned the hair and rinsed it with lukewarm water. So this is how I decided to part my hair. We have a leave out on the side as well as in the middle to cover up the extensions and to also blend with the hair. In the back I have basic cornrows. I'm just going to pin those up, and I like to do it in between the parting space because I like for my hair to lay as flat as possible. Okay, so when it comes to laying these clip-ins, I'm going to place the first 2 along the perimeter. I'm going to place those vertically, and the rest I'm going to place horizontal going through the back, except for where my parting space is. Of course, you want to make sure the extensions are in the shape of your parting space. And I did it vertical in the front because I think it'll be easier to make it look as natural as possible, and I think it'll be easier when it comes to blending my leave out. So I am going to start with the 4 clip wefts first. These are double wefted, which is awesome because it is thicker than, of course, if it were just one. So these are double wefted. The snaps on the extensions were very secure. I did not have any issues with them being too loose or anything, or I didn't have any issues snapping them into my head. It was very, very easy. Okay, you guys, so here it is. I've installed all the clip-ins. Okay, so this is the hair fully installed. As you can see, it looks amazing. Wow, it feels like it looks amazing. So hopefully you guys are seeing what I am feeling that is looking so amazing. When it comes to blending my natural hair with the extensions, of course, I just take out the little twist that I had. I'm going to spritz it with water and follow that up with Eco Styler Gel, just working through my hair. And then what I'm actually going to do is take pieces of my natural hair and twist it in with the extension hair so that it could dry. I'm going to do that throughout my entire leave out section. And this is just going to give your natural hair the shape and the texture of the extensions, and it's also going to elongate it because, as you can see, my natural hair shrinks tremendously. So this is just going to help it appear more natural. So don't worry about the residue. It will dry clear. I know it's looking a mess right now, but definitely trust the process. It will definitely come out looking extremely natural in the end. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and finish this and wrap my edges, do my edges, wrap my edges, and then come back and show you guys how it looks. Okay, so this is after taking the scarf off. I'm just going to go in and unravel some of the pieces where I twisted it in with the extension hair, and I'm going to use the comb provided to fluff and tease and all of that good stuff. I did not want to do too much here because I didn't want it to get too big, because I knew that as the days went on, it was going to get big on its own. So I didn't want to do too much. But this hair was so soft. I will include everything about this hair in regards to how well it slept, or how well the hair held up, and all of that good stuff. I'm going to include it in my update video, so be on the lookout for that. Stay tuned for the end of the video where I come back and show you guys how this hair looks on day 7. Okay, beauty, so this is day 7 of this hair. 7 days. I've had these clip-ins in for 7 whole days. Workouts, taking naps, going to bed, cooking, cleaning, jumping, hopping, and cartwheeling, okay? Anyway, I have had these clip-ins in the whole entire time through everything, and this is day 7. Okay, so I'm actually, like I said, about to do a video, an update on these clip-ins and my pros and cons and all of that good stuff, which will be up right after this video, maybe in 2 days. Okay, so stay tuned for that if you are interested. I thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.